see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. It's December the 3rd and I just got up not too long ago, but I'm sitting right here trying to write some stuff down, jot some stuff down and get myself together. But I think today we're gonna go pick up a Christmas tree so we can get that, excuse me, so we can get that out of the way, and then whatever else we're gonna do. But I know we're gonna get the tree today, more than likely, and we're gonna put that up. But I just want to get up here and introduce the vlog. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. Y'all, my lashes are like falling out really bad, so I'm about to sit right here real quick, throw some more on. It shouldn't take me long. These are the little lashes that I've been using. I got these from TikTok shop, not TikTok shop, I got these from Shein. But yeah, I just want to get up here and introduce the vlog and tell y'all what we are about to do. And yeah, so I gotta dye my hair before Friday, so hello.
Okay.
About to get dressed.
Mama, be chilling.
Okay, y'all, so the lashes are finally done. I just got finished putting them on. I'll pick it back up when I get dressed so we can go, because I gotta hurry up. It's freezing cold, but I have to literally go straight to the gas station because I have no gas. Like, I'm on 0 miles. So I got my camera. I'm vlogging on my camera and my phone, so I have both of them. But like I said, today we're gonna definitely probably get the trees. Y'all, I ain't even let my car warm up because I have no gas, so we're just driving. But we gotta get gas. Vlogging, and people probably looking at me like, baby, you're on 2 sides of the street, what are you doing? Yeah, and I was about to sit in the house and get hooked and stuck on watching Gossip Girl, so I had to like make myself get up and get dressed and get out the house, because if not, Gossip Girl would have had me sitting in a chokehold. It's so good. But you know, like when you get to like the 2nd or the 3rd season of the show, it kind of starts to like slow down. Like all the main action is like, well, all the really intriguing action is normally in the beginning of the show, but once you get to like that 2nd and that 3rd season, it seems like the action sort of dies down. Like at first it's like, oh my god, I gotta watch it to see what's next, but then after that it's kind of like a slow drama. But it's still good. It's still good. It's still really good. But at first it just had me like on the edge of my seat. That's the only thing I don't like about series. It's like once they get to that middle part, it seems like a lot of stuff start to like, damn, that was a wide U-turn. A lot of stuff seems to like die down. But anyway, y'all, I'm done rambling. We getting this Christmas tree today, and yeah, I'm excited. Michael's. I want to go to Michael's. I want to go to Hobby Lobby, and I think that's probably it. I think those are the 2 major places, but at least I'm outside and we're getting our day started. The sun is really shining today. I have to dye my hair before Friday, so either tomorrow, Thursday, because I have a hair appointment on Friday, so I have to get that done. But I do have to go to Sally's because I need to get a hair dye that I want to try. So yeah, whatever. We'll do that either tomorrow or the next day. I'm not doing it today, but I may just take this weekend to like really decorate my house, because I don't have any plans for this weekend besides one like birthday party or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm pulling up the Wawa's. We about to get some gas before we break down. Don't pull right there. Okay, pull right there. Alright, yeah. I'll be back. So, y'all, we stopped and got something to eat because Marquita is hungry. I'm hungry too. So we're going to Seaside's Dogs and Grill. So hopefully we like it. Hopefully we like it, y'all. But Michael's is right across the street. So we're going to eat real quick and we're going to go to Michael's. Thank you, baby. Yeah, so I have these at home already. I like that. They got so much cute stuff. I even like these. Oh wow, these are really cute. So y'all, I'm thinking about getting this tree. Yeah, like to add them in here. Yeah.
They got lights on.
Well, I can get like the regular little branches thing.
Oh, this ain't it.
Oh wow, I say display is the only one available. Display is the only tree available.
Or they can go to another. Try to find another one. No.
Another who? So y'all, we just left out of Michael's. I really thought the tree wasn't gonna fit, but I kind of knew it was. And we got the tree. Yay! So we're gonna probably put that up today. Come back out a little bit later. But we got the tree. It's in here. I look dark right now.